In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how the notification system works in BuddyBoss platform. So first, let's make sure we enable notifications. So now when activity is happening on the site, users will receive notifications and they'll see them in a little icon in the top. So let me go to the front end. Now, right now I'm the only user, so I don't really have any notifications. Nothing's really happened. So let's add some default data so we can play around here. I'm going to go to BuddyBoss tools and we're going to create some. Let me first turn on something. Let's just turn everything on so we get a bunch of activity. And then we'll come back to tools. And now we can import a bunch of member stuff just so you can get a sense of what this actually looks like. And let me just view as Ariana. So I'm logged into her profile and we can see our notification bell has a bunch of notices. So somebody sent me a new message, request to connect. So let me click on new private message. It takes me right into the message. Or I could click on view notifications and I can see all of my notifications. So this guy accepted my request to connect. We're connected to each other. That's basically how the notifications reveals itself. And for some notifications, you will also receive emails. So you have some options to customize that as well on a per user basis. So before we can actually do anything in the admin, we have to switch back to the admin user. And now we can go back in here and go to components. And we can see that account settings is enabled. That's going to allow the user to control which notifications they want to get emailed about. So let's come back here and log back in as, let's say we can do Ariana again. Now we can go into her account settings and go to email preferences. And this lets you pick your email notification preferences. So these are all different notifications. Someone mentions you in an update using your handle. Member replies to an update or comment you've posted. Member sends you a new message. Let's say I want that. Social groups I'm part of if things are going on. Connections, connection request. Here we can control if we get email notices along with those notifications.